how to buy constant contact subscription with PayPal. In this video, I will show you each and everything that how you can purchase any subscription, any plan of constant contact with your PayPal account. It's very easy to do it. So first of all, you have to just go to Google and type here constant contact, and here you will get this first link. Now click on the first link here, and sometimes it takes a little bit of time, right? So here I'm into the constant contact, and you have to make a ID. Basically, to make an ID, you have to click on start trial. See, if I just go and click on start trial, I will definitely go to the pricing section. But before moving to the start trial, this is a pricing. And for example, if I choose any of the plan, I will go with this plan or this plan, whatever subscription you want to go with. Here, let me show you. If I just click on start trial, basically it accept the PayPal or not. Of course, it accept. So let me show you officially. So for example, I will just go and click this light plan here, and here you can see that it accept PayPal. Right here you can see they have officially mentioned it. So of course you can use your PayPal account to buy any subscription of constant contact. So you have to enter your email address and password. Right, to do that you have to click on make an account over the constant contact, and once you've done that you will able to purchase a subscription of constant contact with a PayPal ID. I hope you found this information really useful.